Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneur moms who are engaging in content marketing so that they can drive traffic to their business in order to do business. Now, if you're wondering why you should be jumping into the YouTube Shorts arena, where you can create, outside of the app itself, up to 60-second videos as content that you can use to specifically drive traffic to your business in order to do business, and you aren't sure if it's worthwhile for you to do so, especially right now with everything that's probably already on your plate, then please allow me to explain why you should create YouTube Shorts right now. I'm serious, you need to listen to me because you can explode your business like never before if you play your digital cards right, mama. So make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get real world help that entrepreneur moms like you need to succeed when you're marketing your business online and through social media today. So super fast, in a recent video of mine, I covered how to create YouTube Shorts in the US. Because if you're not in India right now, as this video is being shot, well, you don't currently have the YouTube Shorts feature available to you in-app. You can legitimately create short-form videos of up to 60 seconds long that you can upload as YouTube Shorts anyway. And it's totally legit. So be sure to check that video out after this one so you can understand how it's done. Anyway, let's get into why you should create YouTube Shorts right now. Reason 1, your dual unfair advantage. You know that YouTube is the second largest search engine on earth, right? And Google is the largest search engine on earth. Now, Google and YouTube are both owned by the same parent company called Alphabet. And let me tell you, there's no sibling rivalry going on here. In fact, the opposite is true. If you rank on YouTube, you can also rank on Google. And that's doubly powerful, am I right? Well, guess what? YouTube Shorts content gets you ranked both on YouTube and on Google, period. And YouTube Shorts is getting its own little spot on YouTube itself to be discovered on. And that's powerful in and of itself. Google search results also cluster YouTube Shorts separately, just like they do with videos versus blog posts or articles. Now, just how powerful would that be for your business to rank on the top 2 most powerful search engines on earth with preferential placement, thereby giving you a dual unfair advantage over your less sophisticated peers? But that's only the beginning in terms of why you should create YouTube Shorts right now. Reason 2, easy pickings for early adopters. Have you ever heard the old entrepreneurial saying, the first to the market with a viable offer wins? Well, that's true both in general and here too. It's easy pickings on the YouTube Shorts front right now for all early adopters, no matter what their niche, pitch, product, and or situation is, mama. You're not only going to rank up on both YouTube and Google simultaneously with your SEO or search engine optimization laden title. Yes, your YouTube Shorts video should have that sort of a title so that it's picked up in search, right? But you're going to have, at least initially, less competition for the attention of those who are engaging in search on YouTube and or Google when it comes to that premium placement that YouTube Shorts are going to enjoy for some time to come, from what it seems. So why wouldn't you want to go for all of that low-hanging fruit that you possibly could before the field gets too crowded and it's harder to be seen? You wouldn't you? So hopefully I've encouraged you to get out there and start creating YouTube Shorts. And I mean, more than one a day would I be creating right now, okay? And if you don't know how to create them, if you're not currently in India where the feature launched and you don't yet have access to the feature, again, be sure to check out my recent video, How to Create YouTube Shorts in the US, for more details. Now, if you want more help when it comes to short form video content marketing like Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, because you're like, well, if I'm not gonna dance and sing and joke around, so why should I be making YouTube Shorts in the first place? Well, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and select all so that you can follow along with this entire content marketing series that I've got to offer you. My next video is going to get into all of the nitty-gritty of short form video content marketing for adults. In the meantime, while you're waiting for that video, be sure to check out these two awesome videos as well, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me a lot when you do that. And of course, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.